Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to clean up space in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your iManager. Now go to Space Cleanup. If you want to clean up your space, you just have to press here, Clean Up All. That's it. So this is how to clean up space in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.